The missing backpack. Excuse me, I need help. I lost my backpack at the station.
I am sorry to hear that. When did you last see it?
About 10 minutes ago, near platform 6.
Okay. What does the backpack look like?
It is black, with a red key ring on the front.
Do you have important things inside?
Yes, my passport, my laptop, and my train ticket.
Do not worry. We will start with the last place you visited.
I bought coffee before I went to the platform.
Good. The cafe worker may have seen it.
Can you tell me where the cafe is?
Yes. Go straight, then turn left before platform 6.
Questions at the cafe. Hi, did you see a black backpack here? Maybe. Was there a red key ring on it? Yes, exactly. That is my backpack. I saw it near that small table. Was it still there when I left? No, a cleaner picked it up after you left. Did the cleaner take it to Lost and Found? I am not sure. Security can check the cameras. Where is the security office? It is next to the ticket machines across the hall. Checking the cameras. Hello, the cafe worker said you can check the cameras.
Yes, I can help. What time did you lose the backpack?
Around 3:15, near platform 6.
Please describe it again for me.
Black backpack, red keyring, and a small blue tag.
Here is the cafe at 3:15.
There I am. I put the backpack under the table.
Now you leave with your coffee.
Oh no, I forgot it completely.
Wait, a cleaner is picking it up.
Can you see where the cleaner goes?
Yes, the cleaner walks toward Lost and Found.
That is good news. How do I get there?
Go past the ticket office. It is the last door on the right.
At Lost and Found. Hello, I think my backpack was brought here. I can check. What does it look like? It is black with a red keyring and a blue tag.
One moment, please. I received a bag like that.
Really? I have my passport inside it.
Then we must check your ID before I give it back. Is this your backpack?
Yes, that is it. Thank you so much.
Please tell me one item inside it.
There is a silver laptop in the main pocket.
Correct. Please sign this form.
Of course. I am so relieved. Back on track. Mark, I found my backpack at Lost and Found.
That is great. Is everything inside?
Yes, my passport, laptop, and ticket are safe.
I am happy to hear that.
Did I miss my train?
You missed the first one, but there is another train in 20 minutes.
Can I use the same ticket?
Yes, this ticket is valid for the next train.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
You are welcome. Platform 6 is open now.
Great. I will keep my backpack close this time.
Good idea. Have a safe trip, Anna.